Hi, it's Tom Nicoli. I look forward to seeing you this year at the 2022 NGH Annual Convention and Educational Conference live in Marlborough, Massachusetts, where I'll be one of the presenters. Today, I want to invite you to my one-hour seminar, How to Use Facebook Live Effectively, How to Market Your Services and Create a Following Using Facebook Live. It will be on Friday, August 12th at 4 o'clock. This presentation is designed to share with you how to use Facebook Live to get engagement and followers for your services. This presentation is going to share with you some insight as to the key points that make your Facebook Live not get passed by, but to have people looking forward to what you have to share. So I look forward to seeing you there at this year's NGH convention and seeing you there in class.